Okay, 6.01 foundations. Okay, so here we're going to convert each to a percent, or each decimal to a percent and then to a fraction. So really decimals to percent really means, percent means out of 100. So all you have to do is put think of it as being over 100 to a certain degree. So here we're just going to move our decimal place 2 spaces, which would be like multiplying by 100, and so we would be 4%. And then 4% would be 4/100ths. Okay, and that would be exactly how you would read the decimal 0.04. This is the tenths space, this is the hundredth space, so we would have 4/100ths. Okay, here we move the decimal space 2 spaces to the right, and we would have 12.5%. Okay, and in this case we would have 125 over 1,000. Okay, and that would be because this 5 is in the thousandths place, so we put it over 1,000, and then we can simplify. 25 goes into both of these numbers evenly, so we have 5 over 40, okay, and then we can still reduce 1 over 8. Okay, and so here we go. Let's do the next example. We can, also you could go backwards with these two. 1 over 8, you would do 1 divided by 8, which gives you 0.125. Then you could find the percentage. So you can really go either way with these. Also, here's how I like to remember how to move the decimal place. We know that D comes before P in the alphabet. So if I want to go from decimal to percent, I'm going to go to the right, and I am going to move the decimal place 2 spaces to the right. This is just an easy hint to do this. If I go from percent to decimal, I'll go the other direction. So if I had 25%, decimal place would be right there. I would move 2 places to the left, and so 25% is equal to 0.25. Okay, so let's just do this, calculate some powers. We know that 5/8 squared is equal to 5/8 times 5/8. Okay, or you could rewrite it if you wanted to. You could say 5 squared over 8 squared, whichever works for you. But in any case, 5 squared is 25, or 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 8 is 64. Then we just check to reduce, and can't reduce there, so we're good. Here in this case, this is literally negative 0.09 times negative 0.09 times negative 0.09 times negative 0.09. Now most of you probably will put this into your calculator, and that is absolutely fine. Okay, most of your calculators, you'll either have like a y to the x power, or you will have a little symbol like this to do this with, and so we can do that pretty quickly. And when you do plug that into your calculator, you will get 0.00, there's 4 zeros, 0.006561. Okay, so expanding and simplifying these binomials, or this binomial, let's change colors here. Okay, so we know that this is x plus y times x plus y, because it's the x plus y quantity squared. So what are we going to do with that? We're going to use the FOIL method. Okay, don't make the mistake and just do x squared plus y squared. That's a big no-no. Okay, so we're going to FOIL. So x times x is x squared, x times y is xy, y times x is xy, and y'all know this is perfect square trinomial, and this is y squared. So here we'll have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And that is it for foundations today. Have a great day.